people have beef with government in general, but I would love to hear you talk a little bit more about why public opinion of the court has plummeted from your perspective. What does it look like from where you sit?
The court, by its nature, is supposed to be a counter-majoritarian institution, meaning that if we could just leave everything up to the majority, you wouldn't need a Supreme Court. The majority would get its way. So much of the Constitution is to prevent the majority from getting its way. It's meant to have the separation of power so that one checks the other. But think about the Bill of Rights. You don't need a First Amendment to protect popular speech, to protect speech that the majority of Americans approve of. We have a First Amendment to protect really unpopular speech. The court is supposed to protect those minority interests, whatever they are, minority religion, minority speech, unpopular people. Well, guess what? The institution that constantly tells the majority no is also not going to be a very popular institution if the majority is paying attention. And in fact, I would argue, historically, the cases that we look back on with the most disdain, Korematsu, Plessy, Dred Scott, obviously, are the cases where the court was actually giving in to the majority or thinking that they could handle the political moment and solve the problem better than any other branch, which isn't their job.